This is Amy. Thanks so much for coming to my site. I'm going to show you how I do my body butter or body lotion. I use shea butter, coconut oil, almond oil, half a cup of each, 10 to 30 drops of essential oil. You can use whatever brand or whatever scent you want. I'm using geranium, frankincense, and lavender. You combine all of your ingredients except for the essential oils into a glass jar that you can place into a little bit of water in a little saucepan. You do medium heat, don't do it any higher because you could crack the jar. Stir until it's all completely melted, and I use a wooden dowel to stir with. Once it's completely melted, I turn off the heat, pull it out of the water, and let it cool off for a few minutes. Then I'll add my essential oils. So I use 10 drops of each one that I was using. Once I'm done with that, I'm stirring it in still with the wooden dowel. I will then pour it into a glass mixing bowl. I'm then placing that bowl into the refrigerator for an hour. Once it's done, I will pull it out, mix it. Now, depending on the ingredients that you're using, you might get a firmer, creamier response when you're mixing. This stayed liquidy. I put it in my jar, put the lid on, put it in the refrigerator for another 15 minutes. I actually ended up leaving it in there longer just because it wasn't for any particular reason. It will actually set up and turn into the creamy white, and then it's ready to be used. And I just let mine sit out. You can keep it in the refrigerator if you want. It recommends that you keep it in 70 degrees or above, or I'm sorry, under for storage. I do appreciate you stopping by. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.